This truck, I have to admit, is one of my favorite species. This is a 1999 Toyota 4runner Limited. Let me take you around here. Look at what great shape it's in, and I got this one for a bargain. And I put that old speed channel seat cover on it. And this truck has almost 300,000 miles on it, but it was part of the chassis recall that happened way back when, and it's real clean underneath, especially for the age. Wheels are decent, tires are great, and right now I'm showing it to you in its natural habitat, which is hauling junk. This is an old washer, I think, that hasn't gone to the dump yet, but look at that. She fits right in there. And oh, by the way, the roll-up window that everyone loves, yes, indeed, it does work. Also has that great trailer hitch. It's not banged up. Not banged up at all. Really, very little wrong with this truck. I don't even think it needs a respray, but people seem to love it when I drive it around. They stop me, hey, where'd you get your truck? You want to sell your truck? I'm like, no, man, I love this thing. Interior, well, you can't see much of the back because of the junk. The front, it's not bad. The leather's kind of gnarled up, but I think I can live with that. It has a crummy, chintzy little aftermarket radio in it, but I already have an original on the way. And it also has this little nub antenna that does virtually nothing. But as I come back around and I show you that 3400 4cam, man, this thing runs. It doesn't let me down. And really, I don't know if I ever really want to get rid of it. So again, thank you for watching the pilot episodes of Truck Week. I don't know if it's going to knock Shark Week off the ratings list just yet, but if you're patient with me, I promise that I will find some pretty neat stuff to show.